What's up everybody, Jordan here, and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from a company called Bearded Death Beard Co. Shout out to Dan, the owner of Bearded Death Beard Co. for sending this stuff out for me to unbox, test, and review. So stay tuned for a review coming soon. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a like on this video, comment down below. Let me know if you've tried Bearded Death Beard Co. Let's get started. Alright, so starting off by talking about Bearded Death Beard Co. itself. So, they're based in Northampton, Pennsylvania. The owner's name is Dan. Small batch beard products and different accessories sold. Launched in October 2023. And then they sell beard oil for $11.99 USD, beard balm for $12.99, tattoo balm for $11.99, shampoo bar for $8.99, conditioner bar soap, which is something I've never tried before, so that's pretty cool. Those are $8.99 as well. And then the shampoo and conditioner bar soap set is $14.99, so if you want to get both, you can do that, or you can get them separately. And then they sell trucker hats for $14.99, and then snapback hats for $17.99, sticker packs for $2 USD, and that comes with 10 stickers. So pretty good value for a whole bunch of stickers. It's pretty cool. And then they have some different like hoodies and other stuff like that. So there's a logo hoodie for $31.99, window decal for $4.99, beard brush and beard comb set for $8.99. There's t-shirts in different styles for $21.99, and then there's a heavy blend hoodie for $34.99. There's a beanie for $14.99 USD. They also have a koozie for cans with the logo on it, and that's $4.99. And then there's a bundle box which gets you 3 oils and then a beard balm, and that's $29.99 USD. And then next, let's talk about the ingredients for the beard oil and the beard balm. Alright, so starting off with the scent profile, so they have cedarwood, sandalwood, vanilla, and then vanilla spice in the beard balm. And then they also have a new cherry smoky tobacco type scent available. It's a collaboration with the Motor City Bearded Villains. That's available for pre-order right now as I'm recording this. It's available as of March 8th, so by the time you see this, it should be out. Yeah, and then the ingredients for the beard oil are jojoba oil, argan oil, almond oil, and then essential oils for scent. And then the beard balm is petrolatum, mineral oil, beeswax, vanilla oil, and more. And then they also use essential oils for scent. And then the shampoo bar and the conditioning bar, similar carrier blend to the oils with cocoa butter, and then sea salt and sandalwood oil for the shampoo bar, and then same for the beard conditioner along with grapeseed. And then next, let's check out the products that Dan sent me. Alrighty, here we go. I got this skull skeleton knife, pretty appropriate for the branding of Bearded Death Beard Co. Alright, here we go. So starting off, we've got a really cool trucker hat with the logo on there. So we'll switch into that. There you go. So that's how that looks. Really cool hat. And let's keep going. So we got the this is a beard balm. This is a 1 ounce. This is vanilla spice. Really cool box with the logo. And then 1 ounce tin for the beard balm. And then we've got this is the sandalwood beard oil right there. So you got the ingredients as well as the social media on the side there. Yeah, really cool label. Simple and straightforward. Definitely dig that. And then next we've got this is the tattoo balm. So this just launched recently. So if you have tattoos, definitely check this out. And then we've got the beard conditioner bar, so bar soap for conditioning your beard, so I'm going to be testing this out. Definitely a unique concept for a product, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then we got the shampoo bar right there. We got the business card right there with the social media and all that sort of thing right there. And then with the logo, so pretty cool. We got some stickers, little small stickers with the logo. Those are pretty cool. We got the cedarwood beard oil, 1 ounce. More stickers. We got the vanilla, which is a white bottle, so makes it stand out. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and then let's check out these scents. Just starting off with the vanilla. Really cool bottle. Makes it stand out. Ooh, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, just straight up vanilla, nice and sweet. Yeah, very simple and straightforward scent, but that smells really nice. Excited to check that out. And then we got the cedarwood, the black bottle. Yeah, smooth, subtle, woodsy kind of scent. Yeah, very cool. And then we got the sandalwood, one of the classics of beard oil scents. Yeah, just good old sweet, a little bit soapy sandalwood. Yeah, and then we got the beard balm, which is vanilla spice. Ooh, yeah, I like that. That'll pair nicely with the vanilla. Yeah, that's nice. nice and subtle, but still definitely still get the scent. And then we got Tattoo Balm. I'm not sure what the scent of this is, but we'll find out. Somewhat sandalwood-ish, not quite as, like, not properly sandalwood like sandalwood would be, but yeah, not a ton of scent to it, but mostly unscented, which is nice for Tattoo Balm. I'm planning to get some tattoos at some point, so once I do, I'll definitely be testing that out on myself more. Yeah, but if you do have tattoos, definitely take a look at that. Yeah, so that's the scents. We got vanilla, cedarwood, and sandalwood, and then vanilla spice for the beard balm. Let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, yeah, so one more shout out to Dan from Bearded Death Beard Co. for sending this stuff out for me to check out. And then stay tuned for full review coming soon. Use discount code JCC15 to save 15% on these products. I'll have Bearded Death Beard Co.'s Instagram and website linked down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't already. Let me know down below if you tried this company and what you thought. If you haven't, if you're planning to check them out, but stay tuned for a full review coming soon, as well as lots of other content. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.